Hey friends, welcome back to Thrifted Lifestyle. Today we are taking a solo sock and turning it into hair scrunchies. What's cool about this project is you pretty much already have all the supplies. If you have some scissors and needle and thread and a solo sock, because apparently the washer and dryer likes to eat socks and you have a ton of single socks, we're going to make hair scrunchies with them. So for this project, I'm only going to use the top of the sock because it stretches the best, and once you get down into the bottom part, there's just something better you could make with that. So I'm just going to put that to the side and just use the tube part of the sock. So I have my needle and thread, and I'm just going to hand stitch with like a loop stitch all around where the edges are kind of rough and just stitch it into it without going all the way through. You really want to keep the thread just on the one side. For one, this helps with the stretching of it so the thread doesn't pop, and it also just looks nicer. So I went all the way around to that and just embedded my needle a little bit so that the thread is fully there and it won't come undone. While I'm finishing the ends of these, this is a good time just to say that there are plenty of things you can do with socks. So definitely save your single socks or your socks with holes in them and put them aside for other projects. I know that people do teddy bears and different animals and stuff with them, but it's literally endless. So definitely keep your socks and make other things. So with this part of the sock, because before I was using the very top, we're just going to cuff it around so that all of the raw edges are in the inside. So that way it looks nice and neat and it's similar to that. And we're going to go right back in and do with a single stitch. So I'm just putting a knot in the bottom of my thread, hiding it here in the back, and doing a loop stitch all the way around. Also, I want to address the peanut container that is in the video. I was actually at work and it was convenient for me to be able to work and stitch at the same time. So I went ahead and just used this peanut container that I had next to me so that my camera was above and I was able to record. So yeehaw for just being there, peanut container. Okay, yeah, back to the project. You're just going to loop stitch on all of the ones you were able to cut off of the tube part, and you have really nice scrunchies that, yeah, they're not perfect. They do, when you stretch them a little bit, they are a little tight, but I was able to wrap it 3 times around my hair, and I think they're cute. Thanks for watching, and be sure to head over to thriftedboutique.com.